ezyZip.
How to convert MP4 in Windows. First, download and install ezyZip Archive Converter. Simple, easy, and fast. Link is in the description. Launch ezyZip Media Converter. From the Media Tools, click on Convert Format. Click the Select Media File button to open the file chooser and pick the MP4 file you wish to convert. You can select the target file format from the selection menu. ezyZip offers a wide range of file type to choose from. After choosing your desired file type, click the green Convert button and let ezyZip do its magic. Once the conversion is complete, click on the Save button to save the converted file to your selected destination folder. It's that easy. I hope that helps. Please click the logo and subscribe. It would mean a lot to us.